Hi, I'm Noboru from Fukuoka. Today, a mistake that can cost you money in Japan property.
I've seen many foreign investors regret buying property in Japan, and it's usually because of one thing. They focus too much on price. Cheap properties look attractive, but in Japan, cheap often means something is wrong. The location may have low demand, the building may be old, or the property may require expensive repairs. Because of this, it becomes difficult to find tenants. Vacancy periods become longer, and rental income becomes unstable. In some cases, investors are forced to lower the rent, or even sell at a loss. This is why many foreign buyers regret their purchase. So the lesson is simple. Don't just look at price. Look at demand, location, and long-term value. Because in Japan, real estate, cheap property can be the most expensive mistake.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.